Home Biker Boy. Today we are here again at S9 Helmet and Accessories, but this time it's for Layla's shoes. So I'm going to show you what are the shoes that I'm going to buy for Layla. It's right here. So we have the two, that's Timsim 100 90-18, and we have 130. Yes, this is. So that's 130 80-18. So these are the two tires that I'm going to actually put on Layla soon, because you know that I'm going for a long ride, and of course the ride is incognito right now. So let's go ahead and enjoy this installation of these new Timsim tires on Layla.
The first process is basically remove the rear tire. Of course, this is a very difficult process initially if you do not understand how it has to be done. But if your bike is kept on a slant position, everything comes off very easily. You don't need to actually loosen the chain tension, the setting of the chain tension. On the left hand side there are two 10 mm nuts. You don't have to actually loosen that. You just tilt the bike a little and the wheel automatically easily actually comes off from the from the even the disc brake pads. They automatically come out. This is exactly how we removed it. It's just remove the axle, tilt the bike, and you're out. Okay, so yes, this is a tire. This is how the tire looks, of course. Now the only difference in the tires once you put the Timsim tires is the rear PSI required is 33. Of course, you've heard it right. And the front one, the PSI is 41. Now this is as per their technicalities, and of course it actually does its work. I was amazed to know that the front is more and the rear is less, but it does its work. That's what you want. So the fitting up the tire also was easy. Again, you need to just tilt it off a little bit on the left, put the brake pads on the disc, and then it's easy.
Front tire is now removed. You've seen that was just the 24 mm nut that had to be opened on the left hand side. On the right hand side of where the brake handle is, that is where you will need to open the Allen key actually to get the axle out. So that is very simple to open the tire. So right now he's going to go ahead and get the tire out of the rim. So you can see the tube is actually removed from the old tire. So both my tubes still have the seal in. So that is basically the anti-puncture chemical that I put inside the tube. It's still there. That's the same thing that we have used. In case you do not know what the seal in is and how to install it, I will put a video on the top left hand corner. You will see a video for basically how the seal in was put in the tubes. So the tube is still intact and we're going to use the same tubes. I have used the same tubes for the rear tire as well. ये एरो बराबर किया रे, इसमें एरो देख कौन सा साइड घूम रहा है एरो?
इस साइड ना,
किधर है?
हाँ इधर है.
Once we removed the tire, there was some mud, on the grease. Wherever grease was there was some mud. So we were actually making sure right now, we were getting that mud out so that it does not have a friction as the axle goes in and does not get accumulated inside. Fitting the tire was easy as well. Again, you will see me at the end, putting the axle back inside, and also for a few seconds you will see me tightening the Allen key using the 4-number Allen key, tightening the nut that is right near his hand right now on the fork that is coming down on the right hand side, just where the axle goes in. Just behind that is the Allen key that has to be tightened up to actually make sure that the fork does not slip out. Also, it is very important to loosen it when removing the axle. Here you see it now.
So most of you were asking me how these tires are. So yes, of course you've seen the tires. The rear one is 130 80 18. The stock was 130 70 18. So that is what I have done, and the front tires I've kept them as the stock, that's 190 18. Well, these tires are beautiful. You know, I've been so confident enough to actually ride these kilometers that I've done, approximately 400 some odd kilometers that I've completed at the moment. They went very smooth. The rumbles, I was actually very confident. Yes, the Pirelli are very nice. They are more of soft compound. This is both soft and hard. So you have hard in the middle and soft on the side. So this is basically how the tires are at the moment. Yes, the feel of the bike, the confidence that I have gained after riding with the new tires is brilliant. I'm very happy that I actually got them changed before I rode to Goa, because I had crossed 14,000 kilometers and we had another 2,000-3,000 kilometers to do. But then, of course, you know, getting it changed in Goa would be a headache. But now I'm very happy that I don't have to spend that time there.
So that was actually installing the new Timson tires to my bike. Actually, this pattern complements the bike a lot. Of course, if there's any comments, if you want to know any more information, where do you get them, I'm going to actually put it all in the description. Or you can always leave me a comment and I'll be happy to reply. This is Mumbai Car Boy saying thank you so much for watching this channel. Do subscribe if you've not subscribed. There's a lot more coming in. See you till then on the next video. Bye-bye.